What other color do you want? Oh, what other color?
Blue.
Blue?
Uh-oh.
What other color? Red? Can you say red? Okay, what other color?
Oh.
What color is that?
Green.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Alright, show me your stuff. You paint me a picture? On the paper? Okay, now put it on the paper. Ooh. Very nice.
Mama.
Very nice. Well, we'll get more. Use that paint first. Ooh.
Mama.
Is it fun? What color do you need?
Mom.
Maybe yellow? We're running out of finger paint, aren't we? There you go. Here's yellow. So pretty.